Welcome back to my mini-series on the business model canvas. My name is Liz Feasy and let's talk about market research today. There's a part of me that really dislikes the word research because it immediately implies a hell of a lot of work. But it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. If you are smart about it, you can do your market research in a very efficient way and actually still enjoy it. So I'm starting a print-on-demand t-shirt business with my husband. I'm going through all the different components of a business model canvas and using the t-shirt business as an example. We defined the value proposition, kind of. But now I need to do market research to understand if the problem that I have identified is an actual problem. And the questions I'm asking myself to start with is, what is already available? Having a cool t-shirt design is definitely not a unique business. So what is available? If I go to the local stores, the general chain stores, what is available? If I go online to the more popular premium stores, what do they have available? What are their kind of designs? Isn't there perhaps already something that I have in mind that they have on their t-shirts? For instance, my husband is crazy about the idea of a monkey floating in space. Okay, so starting point. So let's go and see if we walk through the shops. If I go on a search online, do I see if I type in t-shirt monkey in space, what pops up? Is it something related to what we have in mind? Or can we still play in that area, but it's just our design is completely different? I don't know, we're going to do research on that. What do these t-shirts cost? It's easy to say, you know what, we're going to sell hundreds and thousands of t-shirts. Now, we want to do print on demand, so I don't want to have an inventory on hand, perhaps a small amount. So if I don't have that upfront cost, I need to understand what is the production cost of either having a t-shirt made somewhere or tapping into an existing business's print-on-demand services and I just upload my designs. That might be the best thing. So I need to go and look at what is the cost of buying those t-shirts, what is the cost of me creating my designs, do I have to pay anything, do I have to pay a graphic designer, do I have to pay a subscription fee to Photoshop or somewhere to create these designs, and what is the shipping cost once I have those t-shirts? Do I ship them locally, do I ship them internationally? Because of the shipping cost, I'm going to stick to local for now. But I need to keep that into consideration because all of those costs adding up and a markup, which is typically 30 to 40% in the retail sector, what is the price going to be of my t-shirt? And is that going to be in line with other t-shirts out there? Then I'm asking myself, what is the consumer behavior? What do customers buy? What are the trends? So there's a couple of ways that you can perhaps do this. You can ask friends. You can hang around in the shop without being too creepy and maybe just linger in the main section and just see what t-shirts people are attracted to. Go on a busy weekend. You can do research online and just try and see what is trendy. You can start following companies with similar designs or concepts that you have on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, and see what do they put up all the time and what is the engagement from the consumers when they put up these projects to kind of also understand what is popular. Use social media for your market research. It's great. Put a post on Instagram, on Facebook, and ask people, what do they buy? Why do they not buy it? Why do they buy it? Create a poll. Go on LinkedIn if you have to. And all of this leads to the question, how can I do market research? There is no set way of doing market research. It depends on your business. It depends on your solution. It depends on the industry, how you will get the best results. But the bottom line of market research is to go out to the consumers, ask them what they want, ask them what they need, and observe them. People don't always know what they want, so ask them, but observing is a very good starting point, and it costs you nothing. You go to the shops, you hang, eat an ice cream, eat a burger, watch the people around you. Just sit down in the food court and watch the people walking past. What are they wearing? Especially the ones that you want to target. And then when you understand what is out there, you need to figure out, how will I be different? Have I seen a whole lot of t-shirts with monkeys floating in space? No. Perhaps that is the thing that makes me different. Putting animals in random things. Or humanizing animals. It sounds a little bit crazy, but a monkey floating in space. A squirrel with a ninja suit. And then you need to figure out, where do I find my audience? Yes, you are in the shop now. If they are not around you, you need to figure out, where am I finding them? It's an uncomfortable zone. Starting a business is uncomfortable. You need to get out of your comfort zone. You're going to have to talk to people. You might as well start here. So once we are done with our market research, let's get to defining our customer segment better, because we might have picked up things along the way that changed who we thought we are targeting based on what they are wearing and what we want to design. Subscribe to stay updated, and let's see where we can take this business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.